Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali back here again with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little soft girl transformation. It's kind of like the aesthetic. I think that it really fits into it. I ordered some clothes off Shein and I don't know if you guys saw that haul. You guys should definitely go check that out though. And yeah, I thought this was a cute little vibe. The makeup was it, and the hairstyle too. I needed some help because I cannot part my hair for anything in the world, so my beautiful mother came in the cut. But if you guys want to see how I transform myself into this, then just keep on watching and let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to be doing the 90s flipped hairstyle, and honestly I suck at hair, so let's just hope that this YouTube tutorial that I look up, and I will link it down below because you gotta give credit when it's due. But yeah, I suck at hair and I'm gonna try to do this hairstyle, and my hair is really long. Well, not really long, but like it's longer than like most people who do this hairstyle, but I'm gonna try anyways, and let's hope that I succeed.
So here is me attempting to do my hair and splitting it, but I suck at splitting it, so you know, that was a fail. And then to make things even worse, I go and I spray it down like I know what I was doing, but I really didn't. So do not learn from me, guys.
I'm grabbing Tarte. I'm about to split the top. I suck at splitting my hair too, as you guys could tell. Like, I don't know if you guys watched the quarantine get ready with me. I literally sucked at splitting my hair when I was training.
Even though I failed miserably at splitting my hair, I want to explain what I was trying to do. So basically it's just splitting two parts and then doing a half up, half down with the hairstyle.
Who told me to be so talentless when it came to hair?
So after a failed attempt at doing the hairstyle, the one thing I succeeded in was flipping the end. So this part's really easy. You basically just straighten all the way to the end and then kind of flip the end so that it looks a little bit more curled. And this kind of makes the hairstyle because it's kind of like that flip hair effect. So now onto my favorite part, the makeup. I only showed my eyes because for my face, I did my regular routine and added more blush for the soft girl aesthetic. But for my eyes, first thing I did was prime with the Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Medium and blend that in. I then take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette in the lightest green shade that you guys just saw and use that as my transition color on my eyes. Once that's all blended out, I go in with a little bit of a darker green and I put that on my outer corner and blend it inward. I did this basically just to deepen up the look because the other shade was a little bit too light. Those were the main two colors that I use in this look in general. And then I go in with a Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Neutral. And I basically just go ahead and cut my crease. I feel like I've gotten a lot better at cutting my crease because before, if you guys watched my early on videos, if you're an OG, my cut creases were terrible. But basically, I just go ahead, cut the crease on both eyes. And then I set it, once I cut the crease on each eye, I set it with a whiter shade, like the lightest shade I could find.
I like this one better. This one's oh man.
Still struggle a little bit with the cut creases because, you know, they're sisters and they will never be twins and I just have to accept it.
All right, that's as good as it's gonna get, honestly, because as good as it's gonna get for right now. I'm gonna take these jewels. This is the hardest part, honestly, about the look. I'm gonna take jewels, put the little ones kind of covering the cut crease, and yeah, so let's do that.
Oh, this is basically what brings the look together. There's kind of like Euphoria vibes mixed with the soft girl aesthetic in my head, but I basically just take all the jewels and apply them all around the cut crease, and I think this brought the look together so nicely, and I literally love this eye look. I think it's one of my favorites that I've ever done, to be honest. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think.
So I just did the rest of my makeup off camera, and honestly, I love it. Like, it looks so good. I haven't done my makeup like this in so long. My mom's sitting there. She's gonna fix my hair because I have no coordination to part my hair, so she's gonna come in clutch. So here's my mommy parting my hair because I have coordination. Que no me lo quito. Ay, pero mami, mi maquillaje.
No, no se te va a quitar, mi amor.
My mom is literally the definition of all heroes do not wear capes, because I know she was not going to let me walk out the house with the crazy mess of hair that I try to do. But even though I couldn't really figure it out, I can explain to you guys what she is doing, because if I would have thought of this, it would have made my life a whole bunch easier. But basically, the first thing she does was split my hair, which I struggle with, and she puts the half up part up in a ponytail and, you know, tie that girl up so that it's not all in my face. And my ends were already flipped, so I already had that effect. And then afterwards, she kind of finishes splitting the two ends that I have, so kind of like not bangs, but like, you know, the two sides that I wanted slick back. And she ties up the rest of my hair on the top so that it's not all up in my face. And then she kind of slicks back and pulls back the two sides that we sectioned off. And even though this a little earlier on, you know, my voiceover isn't always on point, but it's okay, it's whatever. She slicks back both parts and then she ties it in the back, which this is where I was like, wow, I really should have thought of that. She slicks it in the back and then she ties it with a ponytail, and obviously you're not going to see the ponytail because once the clip is down, that's the majority of your hair, so it's going to be hiding, and like boom, the hairstyle is done. Like, why didn't I think of that? Blows my mind. But she brushes it down, you know, so that there's no like frizz or whatever. And then I was really feeling myself. And then, you know, she hairsprays my hair. It was a little harder because I had hairsprayed it in the beginning, even though I didn't know what I was doing. But she knew how to fix it. My mom, she be know how to do hair. I am not blessed like that. But she hairsprayed my hair down, make sure there's no flyaways because we don't want those baby hairs flying all around. We want it to look slick and nice and all put together the way I did not do it at the beginning. So the last thing she did to make the look come all together was basically take a section of the hair from the ponytail and basically wrap that around my hair tie so that you can't really see the hair tie and it looks more, you know, put together and more neat. And then she makes sure that it ends at the back, and she basically takes a bobby pin and sticks it in there so that, you know, that there's like a little piece hanging, but it'll look just like it's part of the ponytail and not like it's odd out, you know what I mean? And then you can't really see the bobby pin either because my hair covers it once again. So, you know, I need to learn these tricks because next time when my mother isn't around, I could do it myself. And then boom, I was feeling myself and the hair looked so cute, guys.
Sí, está bonita, sí. No, yo estoy muy fea.
She said she doesn't want to think of too much in the video right now. But she's my personal hairstylist because I suck at hair, and then I'm the makeup artist over here. But now I'm going to show you guys my outfit, so stay tuned for that.
So 90% of the outfit was from Shein. The earrings, the top, and the purse were all from Shein, and the pants were from Cotton On.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little soft girl aesthetic transformation. Don't mind the background, my makeup is all over the place after I did this, but yeah, I thought this was super cute. If you guys haven't watched the Shein haul, because this clothes was from Shein, a lot of it was, then make sure to check out that haul. And if you guys like this transformation, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see more transformation videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.